Hi, everyone. Today I have Brian Plott, the Executive Director for the Equipment and Tool Institute, or ETI, with me to talk about ETI and their upcoming event, ToolTech. So, Brian, what is the goal behind the ETI ToolTech event?
Oh, well, good afternoon, Lynn. Thank you for asking. We, uh, it's basically communication and networking is the ultimate goal. We try to create a platform every year and make it even better than the year before that gives our members opportunity to not only talk with each other, but to talk and network with OEMs, with industry advocates, if you will. Um, but it's the ultimate goal behind ETI is really it's informing the membership, educating the membership, helping them to get involved in the things that we do and networking.
Can you tell me why is ETI so significant within the automotive industry?
We're an advocate for the aftermarket tool and equipment manufacturers first and foremost, and we have to we whether it's fighting the battle or negotiating the uh, the sides by sides, we're always there as their advocate to try to help them along and deal with the issues that are, most pressing on their mind. So,
Yeah,
and we're neutral, which is,
very key.
yes, very key, because otherwise we wouldn't have the kind of conversations that we have. So, and we're grateful to all of our OEM, uh, our OEM folks and the fact that they'll open their door and they'll have representatives come from all the different OE brands and and talk and present and address tough issues. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then what can you tell me about this year's keynote speakers for the event?
Well, for the first one, Alexander Edwards. This is a gentleman that Greg actually went to another event, and this guy got up and spoke about personality and different kinds of indicators and so forth, how to make judgments with people when you can see that they're looking to make a sale or something along those lines. Um, Alexander was one of them, and then Steve Greenfield is another person that we had 4 or 5 years ago come out to ToolTech and speak, and I even right up to now, I still get people that want to hear him speak again. So we managed to get lucky and he made some room in his schedule, so he'll be speaking for us. He is, and I'm sorry, I'm going to cheat. He is the senior vice president of strategy and business for TrueCar, as well as product development for AutoTrader. So he's got some pretty strong credentials. But when you hear this gentleman speak, he had everybody in the room and just hanging on every word he said. So I'm looking forward to seeing that again, as well. I'm
Yeah,
sure are a number of our members.
that's awesome. It's always nice when you can have somebody who's gained so much traction return to the event so that you
Right.
can continue
And even more when it's
that
by
segment.
request.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, what would you say your favorite part of the show is?
Ooh, boy, there's so many different facets of it. My favorite part, I love the presentations. The first half of each of the 2 days is a general session. So we've lined up different people, speakers, to come in and speak on different topics that are important to our membership. And I just get so much out of those because it's great that the membership really engages. And when you get to the end and then the questions start and the questions keep coming and they keep coming, that's how you know you hit the nail on the head with that one. So I would say that, and as well as all the networking opportunities we have too, that we've got, industry people that want to come every year, OEMs, aftermarket that want to come every year because they just get so much out of it. So, and I think they understand that when they go back.
Yeah, I definitely feel like this event is so great for just getting caught up on what's happening in the industry and like you mentioned, all the networking that you get to do with everybody who attends is just
Right.
phenomenal.
And to your point, we do the one-on-one meetings. So you have general session, and then in the afternoon you have one-on-one meetings, which are pre-registered. Um, for if you're a full member, you can participate in them, and it basically gives you a 20-minute time window with an OEM to be able to go in, shut the door, and discuss things. Help learn about or quantify things. Directionally, technology. Uh, and business. So those OEM, that is the highlight for the membership. That's the most demanded portion of the event, are the one-on-one meetings. But then in the evening of the first day, we have our spotlight event, which is, it looks like a mini trade show. We provided all of the members who wanted to we give them a table and everything they need, and they bring their product with them, and they set everything up, and they spend a couple hours showing off their wares to the OEs and to other entities. And it's really quite an entertaining piece as well. So
Yeah. I might be a little biased. I definitely like the mini trade show, what with being PTEN's editor and wanting to
yeah,
see those new tools and equipment.
oh, that's right, that's right.
In terms of the event, how can people register if they want to attend ToolTech?
That's an easy one. They can simply go to our new website, etools.org, and you'll click on the button for events, and it will bring up the event for ToolTech, and all the registration for ToolTech is there. Your hotel, everything you can do right from the one spot. You get to check out our website since you're in the neighborhood. But yeah, it's very simple. Walks you through step by step. Click the button, and you're good.
Awesome. And if somebody can't attend the event, how else can they get involved?
Um, they can become a member. That's assuming that they're not members. But if they're a member, or if they want to get more involved and they want to become a member, that everything in terms of being able to do that is on our website for associate or for a full membership. It's all there. We're getting so close now that if anybody is registering, we're tracking to make sure it goes through and everybody gets covered.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Brian. I really appreciate it.